Ugh. His mouth.
What? Sophie?
All brown. What? Are you tired now? Oh, you dummy. What?
Take this over there where that pile of wood is and put it in here.
Okay.
Buster! Buster, Buster, Buster!
He is, but he's adorable.
Really? I don't know where you ever got that.
What is it, Bus? What, you don't want it anymore? Oh, look at that. Look at that mouth. Oh, yum.
Manny,
What?
your turn.
Okay. My turn to Buster, don't dig.
Buster, don't dig.
No digging. No, he's just playing with his root.
What? Buff.
He's like, what? Buster, I'm gonna get your root. I'm gonna get your root. I'm gonna get it. Go get it. Oh, it broke. Oh no.
I've not seen it. Oh, it's open.
Yummy. Yum, yum. Yum, yum.
Here, you put these away. I'll grab these.
I'm gonna get the other half, Bus. I'm gonna get the other half. Buster! Come get it! Buster! Hiya!
Where did these go anyway?
Alright, Annie. Go dump that and then put the wheelbarrow back where you got it.
I will.
I know where that is.
Buster, it gets stuck on your bottom jaw.